All right, guys, we got your 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter V8 factory converters there and there. Then it comes with the dreaded third cat nobody likes right there, flex pipe. Then what we put on it is a FLOWMASTER Outlaw, part number 15430S as in Sam. Then we added a 3-inch pipe to it to complete it. And then we also added the 5-inch roll tip right there. There'll be a link in the description for it also. So as you guys can see, it looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the muffler we cut off, guys, right there. All right, go ahead. Perfect. That sounds nice. FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Sound decibels, 110. Again? Out of 110. Good. Gotta back it up. Much better. That tip looks really nice on it too, guys. Don't you agree? Look at that. It's a 5-inch tip. There'll be a link in the description for everything, by the way. That sounds nice. Chevy Silverado. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's an LT. Chevy Silverado, FLOWMASTER Outlaw, single exhaust, 5-inch tip.